Hello, my name is Krishna Bhatt from Project H29, a wearable auto balance device to assist people with balancing dysfunctions. So today I'm just going to go through a demonstration of my prototype and show you its different functions. Okay, so now I'm just going to go over the device's basic design and its basic functions, including the motor moving the boxes with the 5-pound weights in them. So over here, you can see that if I were to incline myself at a plus or minus 15-degree angle, the boxes are supposed to move. I changed it from 5 degrees, which is it is supposed to be originally, just for demonstration purposes. And yeah, I'll just get started and show you. If I were to initially place it like this, you see the boxes move backwards, and now at normal position, it goes back to normal. Now if I were to tilt backwards, you can see that it goes like this. And yeah, the motors move in the opposite direction of the angle to counter the center of mass and readjust it so that the users can maintain their balance. So that's basically all there is for the basic design. Now I'll just go ahead and show you the different functions and features of the app. So here I have my phone open, and I'm going to open the Balancerator app, and here I could click connect to the Balancerator, and I'm going to click the Adafruit because that's the module that I use in my device. It should take a bit of time to load and to connect, and here it is. So you can see that the current body inclination is currently updating, and if I tilt, that means that the data on the phone should update. This takes around 7 seconds for it to update. One moment, and here it is. So now you could see there's a bunch of buttons here. So if I were to click Insights and Trends, we could see the degree average in the month. Currently it doesn't show any data, but if I were to click Update App Data, it now shows that the degree average so far has been negative 5 degrees. So if I were to click View Falls in the past month, it shows a graph, but currently there have been no falls so far because I reset all the data on this phone and I haven't fallen yet since I started the app. And I'm gonna exit the page now. There's a bunch of different settings you can customize your device. You can customize the motor increment. I'm going to just set it to 3x because I found that's most optimal. And I can set an emergency contact. So here I'm just going to enter my phone number so that it would call me when I fall. And here I can set it to phone or text depending on how it wants to call. I want to be contacted. So now if I were to fall with the device on, it should call me automatically. So if I were to set the emergency contact, now if I were to fall, it would show me all the data. So here there's a few buttons, our mission and more information. These just show more information on falling, different tactics to avoid it, and everything such as that. A web page loads here. But now I'll just go ahead and show you the falling. So I'm gonna tilt down to an angle of 45 degrees, by which it's certain that the person has fallen. You can see that the motors are going up at this time, and once it updates in the 7-second interval on the app, it should automatically start the phone, and here it is. So now you can click the contact that you would want to call, and it calls it. So this would happen, and as you heard, I just turned it off. It was the ringing of my number, and I'm just gonna decline it for now. But there it is. So if you were to fall, it would automatically call someone. Now, if you were to go to Insights and Trends and click Update App Data, you would see that the graph has updated, and if you were to click here, it says that a 6 falls once. 6 signifies the date, and currently I'm recording this on March 6th, so it shows that. I can also see in the falling log that it has updated to add this date. So if I were to fall again, just to show one more time, it would go once again to the phone app page, and if I were to click the call button, it will again call my number on my normal phone. Yeah, so I'm just gonna decline it for now, and yeah. So again, you could update the app data here, and now it shows 2. So if this were to go on, this would be tracked in its database, and you can continue to track your falls over time and record, and doctors would be able to see and record how their patients are doing. And again, in the falling log, you could see this, and in the stability in the past month, you could see the average. So that's all for my app, and thank you.